Hey, if you've been searching for a completely free setup of Audacity, your search ends today. This guide covers a stress-free installation process that literally takes seconds to complete. Let's hit it. To kick things off, head over to our web platform and grab the setup package. Launching this file allows the system to unpack all the foundational data needed for the layout. Alright, the core installation phase went through without a hitch. To proceed with the background download, just set your preferred language and adjust the destination folder if you want it saved elsewhere. Okay, let's open the app right now and see how it works. Don't go anywhere. Thanks for watching. Now you're all set to record some clean audio. Check out our website to grab the link and start editing.